So I just left my first hostel. I think today I'm gonna try to head down to a beach somewhere in Cancun. And the real goal for all these videos is that I want to try to be more like Anthony Bourdain, you know, to travel all over, to do more things, and to just be more like him. Aquí es El Rey, en Cancun a la Rey, en Cancun a la Rey. El playa es, como se dice, not far. Yo nado en del mar. El playa aquí son muy feliz, pero yo no tengo sunscreen, so. Hey guys, so as I was walking, I found this coconut on the side of the road, right here, right on the side of the road in like El Playa, in Del Mar. I'm gonna break it open. It sounds like there's something in here, and it's already broken open a little bit, as you can see. So I should be able to do it with just one hand. Aquí costar 51 pesos. Muy bien. I'm still out in Del Rey, and I just wanted to show you how pretty it is out here. Look at these beautiful fountains. So my advice for all you young travelers, when you come to Cancun, you don't need to get a car, or you don't need to rent a car, because that's just going to be expensive. With the car rental's going to cost a lot, and then the rental's insurance is also going to cost a lot. So my recommendation would just be to take a bus. It's 12 pesos for any one bus trip, which is like 85 cents in the US. So, and the bus can get you pretty much all around wherever you need to go. So that's what I would say would be the best option in terms of transportation. If you travel a lot like me, it's important to have enough money to get you through whatever you're needing to do. In Mexico, they use the dinero, which is these colored ones right there in the front. But I also have some US dollars just in case, because US is kind of a global currency. I mean, I don't know, there's just lots of people who know about it and stuff. So make sure you have a sufficient fund with you when you travel. It's a good idea to come to Mexico with a plan. If you don't have a plan like me, you're gonna end up walking like a lot, unless of course you hate walking. But regardless, come with a plan, because I've been walking like 30 kilometers today and yesterday, and so my legs are getting a little bit tired from all this walking I've been doing. Also, travelers, don't rely on Google Maps to get you to where you need to go. I know that Google Maps is a great service and everything, but sometimes it can be a little slow. Get an actual map. I've been using maps, and it hasn't really gotten me to where I need to get to in whatever manner I was expecting to get there. But yeah, just play it safe and get an actual paper map, unless you have like the newest version of the iPhone, which I don't.